Good morning, children. Today we will study about conjunctions. Read these sentences very carefully and observe the words written in red. Amit and Jay are playing. Is John playing or running? Rita is a girl, but Anil is a boy. Please keep a record of words written in red. Meena did not go to school today because she is ill. Tom is very young, yet he can swim very well. So, what is conjunction? A conjunction is a word which is used to join words or sentences together. Children, conjunctions, they act just like Fevicol. As you have to join, when you have to join two pages, what do? You put Fevicol in it and stick both the pages. So same way, that's what conjunctions do. Conjunctions are joining words. They join a word with the word and sentences, one sentence with the another sentence. And there are different types of conjunctions listed here in the slide: and, but, or, because, so, yet, else, unless, therefore, still, though, although, since, otherwise, till, as. These are the different conjunctions. So children, these are various conjunctions and they are listed here. When you have to use them, that is also being discussed, and one sentence is being given. So we will study them one by one. First we will talk about because conjunction. Because is used to show reason. I'll just give you an example. She usually eats at home because she likes cooking. So here you can see in this sentence we are giving a reason that why she is eating home, because she likes cooking. Moving on to next, although conjunction. Although is used to show two opposite statements. Although he speaks seldom, he says meaningful words. So these are two opposite statements. Conjunction whereas. Conjunction whereas is used to show contrast. She is very funny, whereas he is boring. So there is a sharp contrast between two. One is funny and the other one is boring. Conjunction but. But is used to join two ideas that are opposites. So when do we use conjunction but? When we are talking about two ideas that are just opposite. I am very hungry, but the fridge is empty. Conjunction besides. Besides means in addition to. She speaks 3 languages besides Spanish. So she can speak 3 languages and in addition to one more, Spanish. Conjunction unlike. Conjunction unlike means different from, not similar to. So this conjunction unlike, when you have to use it, means different from, not similar to. Jack is completely unlike his father, means he is very different from his father. Conjunction therefore. It is used to show the result or effect of an action. She came first, therefore she got a good seat. Conjunction provided. Provided means if or only if. Means the condition is if you give me this. They can listen to music provided they disturb nobody. Conjunction unless. Unless means except on the condition. You don't need to go unless you want to. Conjunction since. Since is used to show result. Since I see you, I am better. Means the result is this, that I am feeling better. So is used to show result. Whoever says so is a liar. Conjunction if. It is used to show condition. Let me know if you go to the school. Conjunction yet. Yet shows contrast or join opposites. We haven't finished eating the watermelon yet. Conjunction after. After tells us about order. I can pass after the green light is on. Use of therefore, because, as and since. So these are different conjunctions. How we will use them? I'll just read out few sentences for you. It is raining, therefore I cannot go to school. So remember, we have in the previous slide I told you where to use which conjunctions. You have to keep those things in mind and use appropriate conjunction in the sentences. I cannot go to school because it is raining. So here we are talking about reason. As it is raining, I cannot go to school. Since it is raining, I cannot go to school. Now use of or, else, otherwise and unless conjunctions. Work hard or you will fail in the examination. This is how or conjunction is used to join the two sentences. Work hard, else you will fail in the examination. Work hard, otherwise you will fail in the examination. Unless you work hard, you will fail in the examination. So children, these are the conjunctions and they have been placed together because many of them you can use it to state reason, like because, as, since and for. You can use any of these conjunctions to state reason. Therefore and so conjunctions you can use to explain any effect. Conjunction or can be used to show choice. Conjunctions otherwise, if, unless, you can use any of it to state condition. Conjunctions but, yet, in spite of, however, you can use it to show contrast. Conjunction until and when, you can use it to show time. Conjunctions though and although to show opposite feeling or actions. Conjunction while to show a period of time. Thank you children. I hope now the conjunctions and its usage, it's very clear to you. Thank you.